Hi, sir. Good day po. My presentation po is about CBT Learning Station, Beauty Care Nail Enhancement Services, and C3. So here's the CBT Learning Station po. So the layout po is designed to support both academic learning and practical application in beauty care, nail enhancement, and C3. So the room po is divided into two major sections. So first po is the learning area. So in the learning area po for lecturers, discussion, and resource access po. Second po is the practical work area po. So as you can see po, dito po makikita yung hands-on nail care and enhancement practices po. So in the learning resources area po, included po yung several important facilities. At the front po, we have the teacher's table and green board po, as you can see, which serve po as the instructional center for lecturers and discussions. Alongside po, this is the bookshelves po, nail care modules, and which provide po access to training resources for self-study po and guided learning. So, the institutional assessment area po is where evaluation of knowledge and performance po is conducted, ensuring po that competencies are properly measured. The distance learning area po supports online and modular learning, while the quality control area po ensures that tasks are checked and meet required standard po. So on the side po, there is trainers resources center for trainer materials as well as achievement and announcement charts to monitor progress and motivate learners. The computer laboratory po is available for research po, digital modules, and online reference, while the safety station po with a fire extinguisher and first aid kit ensure that the learners are trained in occupational health and safety practices po. So as you can see po, in the other side po, the practical work area po highlights the hands-on competencies needed for nail care services po. This section po contains the nail care technician workstation po, where trainers perform practical exercise and simulations of real salon services po. The hygiene and sanitation corner po reinforces a proper cleaning and safety procedures, while the storage and product display po ensures materials are organized and properly maintained. The contextual learning po laboratory allows learners to apply theoretical knowledge in a realistic setup po. May nilagay din po ako doon na filing cabinets po to provide a space for recording, keeping, and documentation of learning progress po. Then, the support functionality, this area also includes the tools and equipment section po. Doon po nakalagay yung mga tools and equipment po for nail care services po. Then, we have a waste bin po for proper disposal and segregation. So, meron din pong sofa area, and yung po yung tinatawag na support area for rest and client interaction po. And another po is yung meron din po akong fire extinguisher po near the exit for safety compliance po. So, dalawa po yung fire extinguisher ko po dun po sa first room and the second room dun po sa learning area, and then the practical work area po. Then we have a TV or projector po is available din po to enhance demonstration and visual learning during the practical session po. So that's all po, sir. Thank you po.